Batmobile.
Have you been with him?
Batmobile. Doctor?
What is that?
Streaming live to Wingstop in Scottsdale. Oh.
Arizona?
Yep.
Sick.
It's the new Malibu. Scottsdale.
Really?
Yep.
Yo, I like your hat a lot. That's why I wanted to go.
Oh, thank you. My buddy hooked me up. Yeah, yeah. Whoa. All right, homie. He knows I got that, right? All right. He did that for the camera. Good for him. Good for him. We didn't see that coming. Wow.
Alright, thanks, man. Have a good night.
Thank you, bros. Nice shirt.
Thanks, man.
Fungus. Earth medicine, baby. Superfoods. See you, bros. That was pretty sweet. Not every day you see the premium sports car do the, not every day you see that.
Yeah, that was cool.
Good for him. Dude's like, oh, they think I'm a rich chump or something. Let me show them. We go, damn, yeah, that was dope. Yeah. Good for him. He goes, well, there's some kids. There's nobody around. There's my shot. Maybe he saw the camera too. I was already filming, so he might have seen the camera and go, all right, here you go, dude. What kind of car was that? Do we know?
We think it was a Corvette.
Okay, oh damn.
It looked like a Ferrari.
Uh-huh.
It looked like a Corvette.
It was long.
Yeah, it's
pretty dope. Yeah. Definitely Batmobile-esque.